This is Etta. The other day when I showed my milk goats, I had forgot and I milk her first, and so she didn't get shown. But this is Etta. She's my biggest goat. She's also the oldest goat that I have right now. I think she's 6. Or she will be 6 in December. She's the one that had quads this year, and she had them about a week early, and 2 of them died. She's also the hardest goat that I have to milk. Her udder is hard to milk. She's half Nubian and half Kiko. She always starts off giving a lot of milk, but then she tapers off. Once it's about time for her kids to be weaned, she tapers off. I'm only getting probably less than a quart from her. That's about what I get from the other girls. Except for Olive. Olive is drying herself off too. I only got about a cup yesterday from her. And this milk right now is going to the meat bird chickens and the little chicks and the electric netting. That's who's getting most of the milk. And then in the evening, I do give some to Poe. Mix it in with his dog food with a couple of eggs. He does like that. And since he's the one that protects the girls, I think he should have some of the benefits of it. And Etta has a wonky teat. The orifice, the opening, kind of faces in, and so you have to milk her just right, or the milk goes all over your hand. She used to kick so bad that I'd have to try to tie both of her legs to keep her from kicking. So she's, after 5 years, I think she's had babies 5 times. She's finally starting to get a little bit better. She's a pretty good girl. This is the hen that's sitting on the 6 should be purebred sapphire sky chicks, just to see, so I know for sure that every egg she has came from a true breeding of a sapphire sky. She's got 6, but she's doing really good, and I think they hatch next week one day. It's July 30th is when they should hatch. Hopefully all 6 will hatch. Hopefully we'll get some hens. I already have 2 roosters, so I know what they're going to look like. They do not breed true. If you haven't watched any of those videos, they're very pretty. They're like a splash, but they do not look anything like their parents. The boys don't anyway. Not sure about what the girls are going to look like yet. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna bother you. I'm not. You wanna say hi? Are you cranky? These guys just keep getting prettier and prettier. I'm kind of happy that they didn't breed true. I love the splash color. The other guy I think might have a little bit more of the gray. Let me see. They're both skittish though. That's one thing I don't like. I don't know if he's gonna let me get close enough to see. He does have, it's a little bit, he might not have more, but it's darker. The green beans have gotten really tall, but they do not have any blooms yet. It's so weird. Even the ornamental, what I call an ornamental green bean, the purple hyacinth bean, it doesn't have any blooms. Look how tall that thing is. It should be covered with blooms by now. I see right there, the starts of some coming. I don't know what's up with the plants this year. Maybe it's because it's had so much rain. But the flowers, oh, you can't see him, there he is. The hummingbirds, they've probably been on the Mexican sunflowers, or I do have a hummingbird feeder up here. The flowers are doing beautiful though. Most of these were volunteer and I just let them come up in the path. Sunflowers are doing good. Beautiful. I was going to start some late broccoli or cabbage or something here, but I think it's too late to start them from seeds, and our local greenhouse has closed for the season. This is the first year that I can remember that they were not open until like October. They usually sell mums and pumpkins in the fall. They usually have all the fall vegetables, but this year they closed early. So now I'm gonna have to, if I can find some fall plants somewhere else, I might get a few broccoli plants and put in here because I do like fall broccoli. The cucumber down there went over the trellis and now it's coming out into the bed. These things are just, look at them, but not one bloom. It's crazy.